Did you know that by 2050, we'll need to feed nearly 10 billion people, but 40% of crops today are lost to pests, diseases, and climate extremes? Traditional farming can't keep up. Computer vision is the only way out. In today's video, we'll explore how computer vision is transforming agriculture and how Labellerr plays a role in this transformation. Let's dive in. Despite advances in machinery and automation, agriculture still grapples with critical challenges like crop diseases go undetected until it's too late. Weed infestations reduce yields and increase costs. Over-irrigation or under-irrigation due to lack of real-time soil insights. Labor shortages make it tough to monitor large fields manually. All these issues directly affect food supply and farmer income. How computer vision solves these issues? Computer vision enables machines to see and analyze visual data. Here's how it's helping. Drones scan crops from above. AI analyzes leaf patterns to spot infections like blight or mildew before they spread. Computer vision models distinguish between crops and unwanted plants, enabling targeted herbicide use, saving money, and protecting soil health. Cameras track animal behavior to detect signs of illness, stress, or pregnancy in real time, ensuring better herd management. Vision systems assess fruit color, size, and ripeness, helping harvest at the perfect time and estimate yield with precision. Visual data paired with sensors ensures water is used only where it's needed, reducing waste and improving crop health. These innovations are making agriculture smarter, more sustainable, and more scalable. But here's the catch. To train these AI systems, we need millions of images of crops, pests, animals, soil types, all annotated accurately. That's where Labellerr steps in. Labellerr offers almost every feature you need to streamline the process. Maybe you'll use our attribute feature to classify strawberries based on their ripeness level, or our SAM feature to annotate the infected area with just a few clicks. With Labellerr, you're good to go. To explore more features, some demos are already provided on our channel. Make sure to check them out. From detecting a single diseased leaf to managing megafarms, computer vision is redefining agriculture. But none of this works without precise data annotation. Labellerr ensures AI doesn't just see farms, it understands them. Book a demo with Labellerr to explore more about annotations. Link in the description.